company could grow faster. The market is there. You could win more customers in other countries. That is a vast market. So why doesn't it happen? What are the main reasons why you fail to get the most out of your potential? There is no main reason that applies to all companies at all times. There are always several root causes, and they are specific to your company and your current situation. They are specific to the market in which you operate, specific to your current value proposition, specific to the competition you face, to the team you have assigned to generate revenue, and specific to the way they go about it. And that is why my client-specific workshops are so practical and effective. With me as the facilitator, we bring the people affected together, ensure that they have the same understanding of the situation, support the need to change, clearly see what the changed situation will look like, and agree on the actions that must be taken to get there. Using 1 or 2 days, combining my industry expertise with the company-specific insight of your team to analyze the situation will result in an action plan that matches the resources and skills you have available. The plan will be ambitious, but also realistic. Send me an email if you want to make sure you get the most out of your potential.